Hello guys, and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the horizontal scrolling text scroll effect in Premiere Pro. So to begin, as you can see over here, I've added a video onto my timeline that I would like to add this horizontal scrolling text. So the first thing you need to do is to come over to your type tool over here and select it. Now move over to your monitor here and begin typing your text. I'm just going to write a random text, and I'm going to place all my text as caps lock. You can intentionally type your text way past the screen. Don't worry about that, you can always re-edit it. So the next thing you need to do is to come over to your effects control panel over here and select your text. So you need to select this arrow to have this control to be able to edit your text over here. So over here you can edit your text font, you can edit the style of your font, you can edit the size of your text. To increase the size of your text, you need to highlight your text. So you select your arrow over here and you double click on your text, and you can now increase the size of your text. And now I'm going to scroll down, and over here I'm going to add a background to my text by selecting this background over here. You can always select here and change the color of the background you want. I'm going to leave it at black and hit OK. Next, I'm going to select this selection tool over here and drag my text to the position where I need my text to be, which is over here for me. The next thing I'll do is to go back to my first control panel, and still under my text, I'm going to look for the position under text and move this text to the beginning of the clip over here, and scroll to the position over here and move this text completely out of the monitor over here till it can no longer be visible. And at this position, I'm going to toggle on animation here to position. Now I'm going to move to the position where I want the animation to be completed. And at this position, I'm going to move my text back out to be completely seen. So right now, if I go back to the beginning now and hit play, you can see the breaking news text that we have over here. So as you can see right now, this text is a little bit too fast. You can drag this graphics over here and move to your effects control over here, and also drag this keyframe far apart towards the end of your graphics. And if you move to the beginning now and hit play, you can see that we now have a slower text scrolling in. I also have a breaking news graphics that I have brought into my video over here. So with this, I can add this, and we're just going to have it sliding past that breaking news over there. But if you want to have like a double scrolling text effect, all you need to do is to move this graphics one layer above, select this scrolling text that we have created over here, and hit the Alt key and drag it one step higher to duplicate it. Now select the one on the top and move over to the effects control panel over here. Now what we can do here is to scroll down and reduce the scale of this new one we have created to somewhere around, let's say 40 or 50. And now you can change the position of this one by bringing it lower. And to make it different from the first one above here, go back to the text field and change the text from white to black, and change the background from black to white. And this way you'll be able to differentiate your both text. Alright guys, so I think I need to move this breaking news graphics some way backward. Another thing you can do, if you want to make your text different now in the way they are scrolling, you can actually change the animations or the keyframes. And that's it guys on how to create scrolling text effect in Premiere Pro. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video tomorrow.